Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 95. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. From a perusal of the inspection report dated 12/2/2004, it is clear that there is no finding recorded by the sub-registrar to the effect that the building was in existence prior to the date of the sale deed. On the contrary, the petitioner has taken a specific case before the authorities below that the construction was made after the sale deed was executed. In support thereof, the petitioner had submitted the plan of the architect prepared after the sale deed and also produced her bank passbook to show that withdrawal to the extent of about rupees 4 lakh has been made by her after the sale deed has been executed, which amount was utilized for the construction of the plot. She also filed her affidavit as well as that of the contractor in support of her case that the construction were made after the sale deed was executed. However, the authorities below have relied on the report of the sub-registrar and held that there was deficiency in payment of the stamp duty without even recording any specific finding that the construction were made prior to the execution of the sale deed. It is not the case of the respondent that the land in question was undervalued. An inspection was got done after 10 months of the execution of the sale deed. It is also not the case of the respondent that the construction found on the date of inspection could not have been made within the period which was after the execution of the sale deed until the date of the inspection. For imposing liability for the payment of additional stamp duty, it would be the duty of the respondent to categorically show that there was some concealment made by the petitioner at the time of execution of the sale deed. On mere presumption that construction existing after nearly a year must have been existing at the time of execution of the sale deed, stamp duty cannot be imposed after valuing the construction without giving a categorical and specific finding that at the time of execution of the sale deed such construction had existed. It is settled law that market value for the purpose of determining the stamp duty has to be determined with reference to the date on which the document is executed and not on the basis of any improvement made on it thereafter. The sub-registrar or the authorities concerned should have verified the same prior to the registration of the sale deed or immediately thereafter, but imposing liability for payment of additional stamp duty on the basis of a report submitted after nearly an year of the execution of the sale deed, during which period. Admittedly, such construction could have been made with not to justified. As such, the order impunged in this writ petition are based on no sufficient evidence to show that there is any concealment of any material fact on the part of the petitioner, or that the petitioner had purchased the plot with construction. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.